Hello everyone, and we are here today for the new limited edition Alox 2025. Nothing special about it. It's still the same models since 2021, with a little exception, but still the same overall. And yeah, of course, it's a new color, and we see that right now. I'm gonna start with the classic SD. So same packaging, same paper. You can pause the video if you want to read. And here this new color. So which they call red stone. So it's a very particular color, I would say. Really hard to define. I think it's not really the same when you watch it. You watched on video or picture than in real, and maybe with the different lights, of course, as well. So it's really a particular color. So not that bad. So of course the classic SD, it's 6 millimeters for the thickness, 16 grams, 5 functions. 58 millimeters. So as I said, you have the blade, the nail file, the little flat screwdriver, and the scissors. Here, the keyring at the back, 2025. So here's the classic SD. And we have the Pioneer X. So nothing special about it, same thing. I already took it out. It's here because I had a little bit of problems to get it out, I would say. This new inlay is not always... The knife is well maintained because they had problems past years, but also hard to get it out sometimes. You know, it's really, yeah. So the Pioneer X. So of course nothing special about the model, just this new color, and 2025 at the back. So Pioneer X, it's a 93 millimeter knife, 15 millimeters for the thickness, 94 grams, and 9 functions. We have the main blade, the rim roll, scissors, and the opening layer with the can opener, flat screwdriver, bottle opener, larger flat screwdriver, and the wire bender stripper, the keyring, and that's it. Of course, it's an Alox. Nothing at the back. Then of course we have the same paper. We also have this, so you can remove some stud as well. So of course since last year it's a new model which is called Evoke, so which has this some stud, but not really different from the previous Hunter Pro. Still the same knife for the one end opening. So the back 2025. So you have this clip but you can remove, which I do every year. So this one, it's 16 minutes for the thickness, 186 grams, 5 functions. Yes, 5 functions. It's a Victorinox, let's say that, because they count the blade, the clip, the thumb stud, and really strange, but they count the lanyard all as a function, as well as the paracord, which for them is a function as well. So it is. So yeah, why not? It's questionable, but with a locking blade on this one. So as a reminder, we have last year, 2024, and I don't remember the name, but it's a brown color. It was not my favorite, and this year is really interesting, as I said, which is hard to define. We may even think it's some sort of orange color, but yeah, if you compare with the 2021, you see it's not. You see the difference, but the orange 2021 year and 2025 year. But that's really an interesting color this year. I think I've said what I wanted to. I'll put a link in the description of past years. This one, and also before. So yeah, for the price, so yeah, in Europe, at least in France, it didn't change since 2023. We had the Classic SD around 53 euros, the Pioneer X 75 euros, and the Evoke 129. So still the same as last year and before last year as well. So yeah, always expensive, I would say, for the limited editions, but that's it. 43 euros for this Classic SD. That's yeah, that's a bit expensive, but as always, I would say, with limited editions and Victorinox knives, can't do much about it. But yeah. So as I said, I put links in the description of the past years if you wanna watch this. Subscribe to the channel, of course, if you liked it. And in the meantime, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.